Hi YouTube, this is Latanya coming from Happy Scrapping 45 with a haul video. Okay, you guys, I share with you that I will be updating my craft room. Well, the hubby took me to IKEA today. And guys, whew, I did some little damage. But it's all good because I need to get some organization in my craft room. I mainly went to get some type of organization in place for all of my paper pads. Yes, I have too many. And yes, I need all of them. But before I get into all that, I want to share with you guys. I want to share with you the things that I'm introducing to my craft room. So when I do the update, you guys know what I change. Okay, first off, I bought me 2 more Rosscar carts. This one is gonna be for all of my junk journal things. And then this one right here is gonna be for my nails and all that type of stuff. Yeah, so that's gonna stay downstairs. So I bought 2 in black. Okay, I'm gonna take you over here. I'm in my kitchen. Okay, I bought a lot of these railings here because I need to redo my mop the store punches because right now I bought some railings from Walmart and they kind of leaning and all that. So one of my YouTube followers told me to get the ones from IKEA. So they was $1.97. So I know I got about a good 12. I know I may not use all of them, but just didn't want to run back. Same way here, I bought these hooks here, and I got these for the baskets. These baskets here, and look how many I bought, you guys. They was only 79 cents, but you know that 79 cents does add up fast. So I got quite a bit, and I'm gonna put these around my Roscoe carts, and because I got 2, 3, I got 5 of them. Yeah, but one of them is going to be downstairs, so one of them is not going up. So I have 4 in my room. Okay, this is my main reason for going to IKEA. Hold on. Okay, this is it. I purchased this, I think it was like $109, and it comes in 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. But this is how it's going to look once I get it all together. And I did take a paper pad with me to put it inside to make sure it stands up straight, not bending, not nothing. I want it to stand up straight. That's the purpose of me getting this. Look at my nails. Terrible. But this is what I mainly went for. And I bought it in black because that's my room. Then I want to share with you guys my haul from Tuesday morning. Went back to Tuesday morning because it was not too far from IKEA. So I finally found these puffy hearts, so I got them. This color, that color. I think these are all the colors: green, the white, purple, that pink, the blue, and that color. So those are the puffy hearts I got from Tuesday morning. I got some more of these bows because you know I be doing those tea-ins and I be I need those to go with some of the projects that I'll be making. I finally found one of the Easter pads that they had out this Sunday in the spring, and it was $1.99. Real pretty. Six by 6. So I got that. I got this Bella Boulevard clear cut pads, and it's just like acetate. I mean, this is pretty. I mean, this will be nice for page markers. So I got that. Then I got me a footstool. Stepping stool. When I saw it in purple, I just really grabbed it. So I got that. Yeah. Because I got a lot of stuff to hang up in my room. I found this right here on clearance. This is what it is. It's like the library cards. Oh, wow. That was the right one. So in different colors, so I can cut these out and put these inside of my junk journals. So I think that was cute. Then I went on and picked up this Love Adore by Simple Story. I've been seeing so many people hauling this paper pad. So I said, let me get it. Because, you know, once I see projects, I'm going to be mad that I didn't pick it up. So that's that. And then Tuesday morning had some Iris with clear containers. And I only found 2. So I got the last 2 that they had. And, you know, you always need storage. So they was $3.99. So I got 2 of those. Then I went to the Dollar Tree. Finally, the Dollar Tree has restocked this LA Color loose powder. And I also use these loose powder shades for my glimmer mist. So I got quite a few of those. I think I got about 5. And then I seen, oh wow, what is her name? Well, she showed these new lip colors at at Dollar Tree. So I got this one here, the glossy. And I got this one here. And then I got some red, because you know I am dark skinned, but I could wear this red really well. So I got that. So yeah, is that it? Yeah, that's my haul. So in a couple of weeks, when my husband said he's gonna start doing the weekdays, because he work on the weekend, and I kind of work with him. So he's gonna start on doing a week to set up all my things, and I will be coming back and showing you guys my process and all that good stuff. Look at all that big bag of sugar we bought over there. That's for the coffee. But anyway, yeah, so I will be coming back and sharing with you guys my process of my craft room and all that. And I'm just hoping this fixed my issue with my paper pads. But I know what really would fix it. Quit buying paper. But you know, that's not gonna happen. I know better. So, all right, you guys. Thank you for stopping by, and you have a nice night. Bye-bye.